Now let's just see the question number 2. Question number 2 says if we add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half. If we only add 1 to the denominator, so what is the fraction? So let us suppose if we are starting with the solution of this equation by assuming the fraction. So let the fraction be x by y. So according to the question, it says that if we are adding 1 to the numerator, means it would be x plus 1, because we are adding 1 to the numerator, and subtract 1 from the denominator, means we are subtracting 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. So this is the very first equation that I am getting. So let's just solve this equation. Let us suppose I am just taking this towards 1. So this would be of the form x plus 1 which is equal to y minus 1. So this is x plus 1 which is equal to y minus 1. Let's just take y towards the other side. X minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So the equation is x minus y is equal to minus of 2. Let us suppose this is the very first equation that I am getting from the very first section of the question. Now let's just move on towards the other condition that is given. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So it says if we are just adding 1 to the denominator, so let us suppose if we are taking the other condition as we have the numerator x, we have the denominator as y. It says we are just only adding 1 to the denominator, so y plus 1. So the equation would be of the form half. So equation is of the form half. Now let's just use the cross multiplication method in order to get the value of, or in order to solve this equation. So first of all, we'll have 2x is equal to y plus of 1. Let's just take y towards the other side. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. So this is nothing but the equation number 2. So as we are using the elimination method over here, we can see in the equation number 1, in the equation number 2, the coefficient of the y variable is already similar. As we can see, we have the coefficient of y as minus 1 over here. We have the coefficient of y as minus 1 over here. So there is no need to follow step number 1, because in the step number 1 we always make the coefficient of any variable similar, but there is no need to do that because we can see the coefficient of y variable is both same or same in both the equation. Now let's just skip to the part 2, so, or the step 2. So we have to subtract both of these equations in order to get the value of x and y. So subtract equation number 1 and 2. So if we are subtracting, so this is x minus y is equal to minus 2, and further we have 2x minus y is equal to 1. Let's just subtract. If we are subtracting, then signs will get changed. So this would be minus y plus y, they get cancelled with each other. This is plus x, this is minus 2x, this is minus of x, which is equal to minus of 3. Negative and negative get cancelled with each other. We are getting x is equal to 3. So at the end, we are getting x is equal to 3. Let's just substitute x is equal to 3 in any of the equation. And let us suppose I am substituting x as 3 in the equation number 1. Let us suppose I am taking it as 3. So substitute equation number 3 in 1, we will get the value of y as 3 minus y is equal to minus of 2, minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus of 5. So minus y is equal to minus 5, negative get cancelled, y is equal to 5. So at the end, the fraction was x by y. So x is 3, y is 5. This is nothing but the required fraction and our answer using the elimination method. I hope all the steps related to this question is all clear to you.